Hello students, will be continue with the geography second lesson, page number 121. Usage of rocks and minerals. Rocks are majorly used in the construction of roads, houses and buildings. Soil is formed from rocks. The chemicals which are obtained from the sedimentary rocks are used to make fertilizers. Coal and petroleum provide the sources of power. In fact, in ancient times, rocks were used to make weapons and tools. Rock cycle. Rock cycle is a process in which one type of rock is changed into another type in a cyclic manner, as it is shown in this figure. Rock cycle. Under certain conditions, though this continuous process, older rocks are transformed into new rocks by means of erosion, depositions, pressure, melting and cooling. It is an endless process by which rocks are formed, destroyed and formed again. When hot and molten magma cools down, it forms igneous rocks. These igneous rocks are broken down by different agents of weathering and erosion to form sediments, which form sedimentary rocks. Under extreme temperature and pressure, igneous and sedimentary rocks are changed into metamorphic rocks. The sedimentary and metamorphic rocks are buried again and melt to form magma. This magma again forms igneous rocks on cooling down. This whole process is called rock cycle. The scientific study of rocks is called petrology. Wonderful to know, the deepest mine in the world is in South Africa. It is about 4 km deep. To reach the center of the earth, we need to dig a hole of 6,000 km. It is impossible to reach the center of the earth because the temperature at the center is estimated to be 5000 degrees Celsius. Therefore, most of the information about the earth interior is indirectly collected either from the density of the material or from the behavior of the earthquake tremors. It is through the waves that we know that the earth is like a solid body up to 2900 km inside the earth. Points to remember: the earth is made up of three concentrative layers, that is crust, metal and core. Rocks are made up of minerals and do not possess a definite chemical composition. One is a kind of rock in which a particular material is found in a large percentage. There are three kinds of rocks found on the earth, that is igneous, sedimentary and metamorphic. Igneous rocks are formed by the cooling of molten magma inside the earth's crust. Sedimentary rocks are formed due to the deposition of broken rock fragments in layers. Metamorphic rocks are formed under high temperature and presence and pressure inside the earth. A rock cycle is a process by which one type of rock is changed into another type in a cycle manner.